ShauntéShaunté. So, today I'm going to be showing you how I get my volume in my hair. I just washed, conditioned, and I used my Maui, of course, which is finished. And I ordered some from Ulta, but I didn't put the right address, so it got returned. I'm a little sad because I don't know what I'm gonna do. All this light is pissing me off. Hold on. There we go. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to reorder it, but I don't know what to do, okay? I'm gonna figure it out though. So yeah, I washed it, conditioned it, put my Maui. And I'll be back once it's like 80% dry to show you what I do next. I don't leave it down all day. You'll see, I'll be back. Oh, I'm letting it air dry, okay? I forgot to say that. So I'm gonna let it air dry, and when it's about 80% dry, then I'll be back. It's like 4 hours later now, and my hair is 80% dry. So what I do now, okay, you see how short it is? I put it in the highest pineapple possible. So I go like that. I go like that. I can't see, I'm too low. Grab it all and bring it to the front. And put the scrunchie around it one time. Boom. I just leave it like this until the next day. You gotta make sure you get everything. That stretches it out in the back. So I'll be back tomorrow. It's the next day. Take a shower. Attack myself, if you know what I'm saying. And it's my hair. So I'm gonna finally take it down. It's over 24 hours that I've washed my hair now. So it's like this now. Okay. You see how much longer the back looks? Because I stretched it out with the super high pineapple. So now I just pull it like so. And bam, bro. What was that, less than a minute? That was fast. And hope you enjoyed this quick little how I get my volume video.